dirt and dirt. You know, go burn up if you do that. The pot come out shine. So after I go shop and sit and come back and go share too. No. Somebody share my food, please. Me walk away on the side of the I ship it back between and to any bag. Every and now enough me after.
Wassy, no people in Wassy.
After me I'm tired. Me and tired.
Yeah, so the Wassy Jamaican white girl people. Wanna be asked about and say how she talks so. She talk the sweetest Jamaican language more than any one of us. So come give a look at your language and people know your features.
My language is Patois and English. That is my first
Oh, so the people always ask me about Jamaican born.
I was born in Jamaica. I was raised here. I went to school here.
People can understand. Tell the people them so where you born and grew.
I born and grew up Portland. I was raised here. I go to school here. Everything. I travel. Yes. My parents German, so I am bilingual, right?
Yes.
Yes, so I can speak German as well. Ich kann auch Deutsch reden. Die Melodie weiß ich auch Deutsch.
What?
So yes, I can speak. I can don't do that. Yes. And I can also speak standard English. I can speak very good English. So yeah.
What else can you do?
Everything.
Everything else.
What I know. Can climb tree you far. Yo, where do we go? Yo, where do we go up to? I'm a apple tree. We see who you been on top of apple tree. I saw the backside in a go.
You say fine? You say she fine?